Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello everyone, my name is Rashil Anwar and today we are going to learn Abdul Sattar Edhi, Unit number 1, Dedicated to Humanity, Part A, Lecture number 8, National Book Foundation. So let's start. Comprehension questions. Answer the given questions in detail. Question number 1. What is something that Abdul Sattar Edhi will be remembered for? He will be remembered for serving the humanity. Question number 2. How can Edhi's legacy be carried forward? Answer. His legacy to serve humanity is still continued and maintained by his son Faisal Edhi. Question number 3. Edhi's life teaches us the importance of love for humanity. How do you think this love for humanity can be promoted in society? Answer. Edhi's whole life teaches about the serving the humanity, how we can respect and love with compassion and tolerance, to reduce poverty and provide food to poor for love and equality. Write down the important information and events in the life of Abdul Sattar Edhi. Abdul Sattar Edhi's date and place of birth. He was born in 1928 in Gujarat, India. Family. He had 2 daughters and 2 sons. Marriage. In 1965, Edhi married Bilqis Edhi. Life and works. First, Edhi used to sell clothes, then he decided to establish a free dispensary. Death. Edhi died on July 8, 2016. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe and share with your family and friends. Bye. See you in the next video.